Okay, Mr. Harnell's here. We're going to do another one of these problems, and I just want you to see how these come out. We learned the cross product. If you didn't watch that video, you should watch that one first. But let's talk about what happens here. First of all, let's do the 6 times the 13. I do 6 times 13. It ends up being 78. So we're cross multiplying, which means I'm multiplying this number times this number, and that's going to go on one side of the equal sign. So we get 78. All right. Now we're going to do this number times this number. Now, since there's an x minus 1, the 19 has to distribute. So technically, you're doing 19 times x minus 1, which means you're distributing that 19 like this. And so on this side, we're going to get 19x minus the 19 plus 1 is 19. That's what goes on this side of the equal sign. Once you have this, notice I cross multiplied. That gives me a new equation. Once you have this, you just solve it like normal. So I'm going to add 19. So if I add 19, 78 plus 19, just to make sure I'm using my calculator here, we get 97 on this side. Over here we have 19x. And then we're going to divide both sides by 19, and I get x equals 97 over 19, which you can leave it like that because that does not simplify down. 97 divided by 19 also does not come out evenly. It's a long decimal number, and so you could round it off. So you could give me this as your answer in the answer column, or you could give me rounded 5.1 because 5.10, the next number is 0. We round it to the nearest tenth to be 5.1.